guys, Waterfowler41 here, and in today's video we're going to talk about Dyno Day giveaway. But before we do, the first thing I want to say is thank you. So thank you to my Instagram followers, to my YouTube subscribers, to really just anyone watching my videos. It's been an absolute blast of a ride the last couple of years, building up the channel to what it is today. I think we're north of 3,000 subscribers. I think this time last year I just hit the 1,000 mark maybe, or I was a little shy of it. But to have 3,000 subscribers and to have almost 100 videos on the channel is an absolute blast. I have fun making the videos. I hope you all have either learned something or gotten some value out of some of my videos. But again, just wanted to say thank you to all you folks either sharing my videos, watching them, or using them to walk yourself through your own projects. So super awesome to hear some of the feedback I hear from you folks. The criticism, it's good too. That makes me better in the long run. But overall, absolutely love the engagement I'm getting across all the platforms. So with that said, this is my Wayne Gretzky video. So this is 99 on my channel, which means 98 videos prior to this, I've had step-by-step processes for floor mats, seat covers, exhaust systems, what have you. Everything's been included, or everything's been covered in the past, and I wanted to do something special for video 100. So in video 99, we are announcing a contest. So I wanted to do something fun but engaging with you all. So I figured the best way to do that is to do a little giveaway, but not just a random giveaway like I pick a random person and shell it out, give them whatever giveaway prize we're going to do. What I wanted to do is make it a little bit more interactive. So in my 100th video, we are going to dyno the Ram truck. So I have a 2020 Ram Rebel, I have a Corsa exhaust system on it, Corsa air intake, and I'm just curious how much horsepower this truck's making. So I have an appointment August 3rd with Finish Line Performance over here in Illinois, and they're going to give my truck 2 dyno runs, and we're going to measure horsepower and torque on both of those runs. So let's talk about the contest. Let me get my rules here. So the contest is, the winner is whoever can guess the peak horsepower that my truck makes between the 2 runs. So we're going to do 2 runs. Whatever the peak horsepower is, the winner who can guess that without going over is going to win the giveaway box or giveaway package, and we'll go over that in a second here. The way it works is like this. So first and foremost, you need to be an Instagram user, because you're going to need to follow Accessory Parts and you're going to need to follow Lamin-X, and I'll leave the links to those 2 Instagram handles down below in the video description. And then the third thing you're going to need to do is your guess for how much horsepower my truck makes is going to need to be made on a Dyno Day giveaway post on my Instagram channel. You don't need to follow me. I don't really care about that. Just follow Accessory and Lamin-X. But in order to be eligible to win our giveaway, you need to make sure that your guess is on the Instagram post, and I'll leave a link to that down below as well. I'll basically make this as turnkey as possible for you all. So you can be in the US or Canada to win it. I'm going to be shipping these things personally, and I don't want to have to pay export fees beyond Canada. Sorry, I know I have some viewers outside of North America. I apologize for that. Maybe one day we'll get big enough that we could justify something like that. But right now, US and Canada only. Follow Accessory Parts. I'll leave their link in the description below. Follow Lamin-X on Instagram, and then your guess for how much peak horsepower this truck makes needs to be done on the Dyno Day giveaway picture that I'm going to post on my Instagram right after I post this video. So I'll post this video, you'll be able to go down in the description, click that link, go right to the video, and then leave your guess there. And I'm not even going to tell you how much horsepower these trucks come with. You got to do a little bit of homework. But again, we're going to dyno it, 2 dyno runs on August 3rd, and the peak horsepower, whoever can guess that without going over is going to be the winner. And if there's a tie, we'll do a coin flip. I doubt there's going to be a tie because everything's time stamped on Instagram, but ultimately guessing the peak horsepower of this truck will win you the package. So let's talk about what you win. So there's 3 gift categories that you're going to win here. So winner takes all. So if you win, so you guess the correct peak horsepower my truck makes, the first thing you get is an Accessory Parts hat. So Accessory Parts sent this out, and this is going to be included in the package. Super thankful that they did this. This is awesome. This is how these giveaways get kind of fun. I would love to buy all this stuff, but I'm just not made of money. So when you have companies that are willing to donate stuff like this for the giveaway, for the common good, by all means, it makes things more fun. So Accessory Parts giveaway hat. Then Lamin-X is going to give you a $50 gift card to their store. So caveat to this is you'll need to send me your personal information, not only for me to ship you the rest of this stuff, but for me to process your gift card with Lamin-X. So I'm going to share your shipping information with them, and then they'll reach out to you and get the $50 gift card set up. So right now we got the Accessory Parts hat, we got a Lamin-X gift card for $50 that you could use in their store, and then the last piece right now, I might change it up a little bit, but are a couple chemical guys detailing stuff. So this is stuff that I use, I absolutely love, so I figure I like it, might as well throw it in the giveaway. So this is Speed Wipe. So this is like a quick detailer. After you wash your truck, you can wipe it down with this, kind of a quick wax. Air freshener, so this is Mango Cello. If you want your truck to smell amazing, this is where you go with. This is what I use on my truck and I absolutely love it. And then the GOAT of all interior cleaners, Interclean. So if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you know every time someone asks about what's the best detailing product in the inside, this is it. So Interclean's amazing. So you get a Lamin-X $50 gift card, you get the Accessory Parts hat, and then you get a couple chemical guys products. So Lamin-X supplied the gift card, Accessory Parts supplied the hat. I went out and personally bought the chemical guys stuff because I just think that stuff's awesome. And I'll ship this to you if you are the winner of the Dyno Day giveaway. Follow me so far? So let's talk timeline. So today is July 23rd. I'm dropping the video today. You will have from July 23rd until August 3rd to get your guesses in. And all the guesses need to be made on the Instagram post that I'm going to share. And that link will be down in the description below. Then on August 3rd, my truck goes in, we'll dyno it, and I'll film my video, and I'm gonna release the dyno video and the announcement of who the winner is on August 6th. So I'll do my best to get those quickly edited and get them thrown up on the YouTube channel, but on August 6th video, I'll video what I can of the dyno runs for the truck, and I'll also announce who the winner is. And the winner, again, is the person who guessed the correct peak horsepower without going over. So some disclaimers: not affiliated with Instagram, not affiliated with YouTube. So this is not a contest that they're running. This is just something I'm personally running with the help of Lamin-X and Accessory Parts. Again, when you win, I will need your shipping address so I could get the stuff to you, and so Lamin-X can get you set up to use the gift card on their website. If you're not comfortable with that, I completely get it. Go ahead, throw a guess down there, but you know, then we won't be able to get that information. So I'll pick a first place winner, or the first winner, and if I can't get a hold of that winner within 48 hours, then I'll go to the next person until I can get a hold of somebody. But again, to win, you need to guess the correct peak horsepower without going over. You need to follow Accessory Parts on Instagram, and I'll be able to verify that. You'll need to follow Lamin-X on Instagram, and again, I'll be able to confirm that because you can check that stuff on Instagram. If you meet those 3 criteria, then you're going to be the winner of the competition. Please, by all means, share this video, share the Instagram post, try to get as many people involved as possible because I'm having a lot of fun making this, and I'd love to do more in the future, which needs a larger subscriber base for me to justify doing it. But again, this is my first competition, or first contest, so I apologize if I botch anything here. But this is Dyno Day giveaway. Winner guesses the horsepower without going over. Winner gets an Accessory Parts hat, Lamin-X gift card, and the chemical guys detailing stuff, and I might throw a few other things in there just that I have laying around for truck stuff. With that said, let me make sure I got everything here. Open to US and Canada residents, you got to follow Accessory Parts and Lamin-X. This is the Dyno Day giveaway, and I'm super thankful that I could even get to a point where I could do stuff like this. So again, I'm leaving every link down below, and I'll write out all the rules down below as well, so there's no misinterpreting what the rules are. But again, let's just say, hypothetically speaking, 2 people say that my truck makes 500 horsepower. I'm going to do a coin flip between the 2 to make sure, you know, and that's how we'll decide who wins in a tie. I don't think there's going to be a tie, but I really hope a lot of you guys participate in this. This is a lot of fun. The more participation I can get in this, the more fuel it is for future stuff coming up. But as far as future of my channel, I'm going to still try to do as many truck part videos as I can to the Rebel. I'm getting to that point where modifications are going to get slightly impractical for a daily driver. Now, this isn't a true daily driver in that I work from home, so it's pretty easy to do. But throwing pre-runner suspension on a daily driver is a little impractical, so maybe I go a little bit different direction with suspension that still maintains some drivability. We'll see. I also got that 98 Mustang that we're going to start working on here soon. Wife's got a Palisade that we're going to dive into with some more projects. I got some stereo upgrades planned for that one. But I wanted to get this Dyno Day giveaway out for my 100th video. All of that said, thank you very much. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer. Your guesses, again, very important. Your guesses cannot be made on this video. You could certainly throw out your suggestions, but your guesses need to be made on the Instagram post. That way I have a central location where everything's collated and I can pull it, and it's easier for me to figure out who won the competition. That's video 100. Oh, video 100 is going to be a dyno video. This is super awesome. I'm excited. It's kind of crazy to think that I've gotten to the point of 100 videos, but you know, it's been an absolute joy. I have Sometimes I release a few videos a week, sometimes I release one a month. But I appreciate you all sticking with me. For those of you who've been sticking with me since the GM days, awesome. The ride's been awesome. You've seen my really awkward first videos to my not so awkward videos now. And for those of you who joined in the Ram world where I saw the biggest spike, totally appreciate it. A lot of you guys chirp me on the side, contact me on Instagram, and it's a lot of fun. I love the conversations. So let's keep them going. So, video 100 coming to you in a little over a week. Going to be a Dyno Day giveaway. Drop your description or drop your guesses in the Instagram post on my channel, and let's see who wins the prize. But again, Lamin-X gift card, 50 bucks. Accessory Parts hat, Chemical Guys detailing stuff. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it.